Hello guys, this is SEJ Homestay from SkySuit KLCC. Today I'm going to show you on how to use the water heater in the bathroom. So first we come to the controller. So this will be the controller. So you can see there will be a H means hot, and the other side will be a C means cold. So when you want to operate this thing, okay, you can just turn on, like, okay, the waters come out. Okay, so yeah, if you want to heat up the water, you can turn to hot side, which means left side. If the water is like too hot, you can turn to the other way side, right side, which is cold. Okay. Right, the water come out from here. Okay, on the other round, if you want to use the thing at the top, I don't know what it called. Okay, you can just pull this out. Okay, and then open up the water controller, and the water will just come out from the top. This is awesome, right? So you can again control the water temperature, hot to the left or colder to the right. Okay, that's very simple. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.